What is up, everybody? So we are back. As we promised, we got a lot going on. We are working on the trailer today. So we've got the window in. Last episode that you guys saw with the trailer build was we have the window in there. We're going to try to get back to being more consistent with actually sticking to one project on some of the stuff. But today we are actually going to be working on our Murphy bed, and that's going to be right over here. We got all this wood here, and as we start working through that, we're going to get that Murphy bed put in here. We bought a kit to basically do it so that it folds down, and then when we want to, we can fold it up, and we can still put in the bikes and plus the drift car that we purchased, and we're going to be building out and go doing some stuff, which is right back there. See, yeah, check that out. Cheap car. That's a different build, so if you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in a little bit as we start working through this and getting all this done. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking this wall here and we're going to be turning this into a big Murphy bed. And basically we bought a kit, and it's going to basically do a horizontal fold down. Typically you would see like a vertical where the bed goes fully down like that, but we're doing a horizontal where it's going to be a queen size bed that pretty much takes up this whole section. And hopefully we got the measurements right, but it's only going to basically come to about here, which gives us still plenty of room to be able to bring everything in. But the Murphy bed will be able to fold down. We'll be able to have a little sleeping area for us. And then up here we'll also be doing the same thing here as well, and putting a Murphy bed up here, but it's going to be like some twin beds that fold down. But we're not doing that today. We're going to try to get this one done so we get up to Illinois, we have somewhere to sleep, because we like this lifestyle. We do want to start continue to use this and do this, but we need to basically get this going, so let's get started. Huh? Do you really?
No. I didn't hide my face.
Grab the box screws over there.
She got you, bro.
Your wife. Huh?
Kenny was
Or your mom.
showing. It's like, wait, what?
Easy, right there.
Is one gonna hold?
No.
But you can't put multiple in.
Oh no.
Oh, then my hand slips.
Drop it.
Logan, please
Well,
go.
I was gonna say, have Logan bring his head in, watch the camera.
Camera.
Set.
Hold on.
Check to see if it's bowing underneath.
Go.